Hi there, gorgeous! Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I am showing you the entire new Electric Mood collection that e.l.f. has put out recently. I'll be showing you all the products up close, including a little mini tutorial for each of the products. You can see how they apply, what they look like. I'm actually wearing all of them on my face today, so that is the tutorial that I will be sharing with you up close here. Now, for what I'm wearing on my eyes today, they have a new eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like up close. Before I get into the look, I will also show you swatches of all the eyeshadows so you can get a good idea of the colors that you can find within this palette. Within this palette, you will find 7 matte finish eyeshadows and 7 shimmer finish eyeshadows, and the formula with these is excellent. It's everything that you have come to love from e.l.f. in terms of quality when it comes to their eyeshadow formula. With some of the more glittery, shimmery shades, you may find that you have to apply them with a setting spray spritzed on the brush beforehand because there is a little bit of fallout associated with those, but it's not a big deal. When I first started applying these colors on my eyes, I wanted to do something that was outside of my comfort zone, and that's why I used the brighter yellow shade on the brow bone in this look. I really just didn't know when I was creating it if I was going to like it because it was, but after the look had been completed and I took a little bit of time to digest it, I really loved how all the colors came together. And despite that really vibrant yellow shade being on top there, it really does add a nice pop of color into a look. And I would pair it up with some of the blues in this palette too, and the neutrals too. I love this palette, absolutely love it, and I can't wait to do more looks with it. So highly recommend this eyeshadow palette, and the look that I created with it is simply stunning. You know how much I love purple, and that purple eyeshadow was amazing. It did have a little bit of fallout. I did not apply it with any setting spray, by the way. I simply applied it from pan to eye, and you saw the extreme amount of pigment that I got with it. So fantastic product all the way around. Next one I want to share with you is a new brow duo that they came out with as part of this collection. So they have a brow pomade and a brow glitter, and it also comes with a little brush and spoolie combo brush. I love the glitter. I applied the glitter over the top of one of the e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencils, and I think the shade that I used here was Auburn. But despite what you might think that it's too much, it's really not. It adds a very subtle amount of glitter into the brows, and it gives the look something a little bit different. And in the sun, it is electrified. It looks absolutely beautiful in the brows. So I really love the idea of this, and I have really loved using it. Also, as part of this collection, they added this Illuminating Elixir, which is simply gorgeous. And I'll show you a swatch of it up close. Hopefully you can pick up on the micro glitter particles that are within the formula. It's absolutely beautiful. You can apply this one of two ways. You can apply it on bare skin if you don't really want to wear anything that day and you want to add a little bit of radiance to your skin, and it looks gorgeous just like that. Or you can mix it in with your foundation, which is what I did here. And it does give the foundation more luminous glow, a lot more radiance to the skin. It looks very fresh, very youthful on the skin, and the best part is it doesn't affect the wear time of any foundation that you mix it with. At least I haven't noticed anything like that. And you can see in my skin here how luminous that looks. That's that elixir. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a great product. Even if you just want to mix it in with your sunscreen, I feel like that would be another great way to use it. Going into, let's talk about the De La Soul Cream Face Quad. So there are 4 different makeup products that you get within the quad. They have a highlighter, a bronzer, and 2 blushes. For the example I'm showing you here, I first applied the bronzer. I did not have any issues with application. It did not look splotchy. It blended out evenly, and I thought it was beautiful against the skin. And the blush, same thing. It's very pigmented though when you use the blush, so a little bit goes a long way. But again, very natural looking on the skin. It didn't look like it was too much, and I love cream products because they don't bring out any kind of texture in my skin, and especially if you are over the age of 40, then it's going to help to minimize anything that you may have that you want to conceal, because powder products can tend to bring out dryness and emphasize lines and that type of stuff that we try to minimize. So FYI. Another product, let's see what else. I know I have another one here. This one, oh, this is amazing. This reminds me of a high-end product I used a while back, and it's a lot cheaper too. This is a glassy skin balm. So it's basically like a gloss for your face. Best way I know how to describe it. You don't need much of it. You apply it to the high points of your face, and it looks like you are glowing. I'm not going to say sweating, because we're not supposed to say that. We don't sweat, we glow. Although I'll just be upfront and frank with you. I sweat, girl. I sweat to the point where it's dripping down my arms. Anyway, this makes your face look like you just effortlessly have this light glow, and it does look beautiful on the skin. Now, me being oily, I get this naturally. I just do. But it is beautiful nonetheless. And if that is a type of look that you're trying to achieve in your skin and you want something that looks like that, it's a great product to try. Last product I have to share with you is a lipstick duo, and this was like the brow product. I thought, wow, I may not like that, but I ended up really loving it. So it's a lip pencil with a glitter lip gloss combination. So the way that I did this was I first applied the lip pencil as a way to contour my lips. So I only outlined the areas where I wanted it to have a little bit more emphasis and blended that in with my finger. And then I applied the glitter lip gloss over the top. And I really, really, really love that glitter lip gloss much more than I thought that I would, because it's not over the top. Like the brow product, it's very subtle, and while you would think looking at it, whoa, I don't know about that, it's really beautiful on the lips. And you can see here, it just looks like a clear gloss now, but when you come up really close to my lips, you can see the very subtle glitter, and especially when I'm out in sunlight, you can see the hints of glitter there. And it's just a great product. It's not sticky either. I don't like sticky lip glosses personally. It's not like that. It's a heavier lip gloss though, so you don't need much when you are applying it, and it looks great. By the way, they also came out with a brush set as part of this collection, so I used 2 of those from the set in the applications I was showing you earlier. So if you're wondering where the sponge came from, that was what I was using on my face. That did come from that set. And also the brush that I was using to apply the cream products on the face, that came from that set, and really happy with both of those. I did not try the eyeshadow brushes simply because I forgot, but I will tell you that they are very high quality. They're extremely soft, and I could absolutely see, oh yeah, those would be a dream to use on the eyes. So let me know what you think about this new collection. If you've had the opportunity to try out any of the products, feel free to share your thoughts below. If you were going to ask me what my most favorite product out of everything was, oh man, I was really, really happy with this collection. I really, really was. I love the Elixir more than I thought that I would, and that eyeshadow palette is simply awesome. I love the brow glitter because it's different. It's not like anything that I've ever used or tried, and it really did help me to step outside my comfort zone, and I really love how it looks on the brows. It just looks like I've done something different, but it's hard to say what it is, and it's a unique way to change up your makeup. Let's just put it that way. So highly recommend these to you. Let me know your thoughts on them below. If you're interested in any of the products that I shared with you, I will have them listed and linked for you below in the description box. Thank you so much for being here, for taking the time to watch. I look forward to seeing you again next time.